So one thing we see a lot in doing liquid damage repairs on computers and phones is rice inside of components and electronics. So here you can see some rice. This set for a week after a soda spill. This chunk of rice here is discolored orange from the orange soda and completely dry. Shattered. As I sat there staring at the desperately needing to be cleaned MacBook Pro, I thought to myself, what is rice really used for? Let me ask some experts. Pop question, what is rice?
What?
What is rice?
Is wheat?
Broader, what is it? What do you do with it?
Eat it?
You eat it? Nice. Sophia, what is rice? What is it used for? What do we do with rice? Answer the question.
Where'd Lily go?
What do we do with rice?
Oh,
Eat it.
don't let Lily get it.
So here we have the back plate. You can see they put it in a bag of rice and they shook it, which just made it worse by making all the soda spread around. So what you see over here, we have more rice. It is discolored orange from the soda. This one was actually stuck to this big chunk of soda. There's like a drop. And I mean, you can tell this is bone dry. There's no moisture absorption. You know, you've got sticky residue everywhere. The worst thing you could do is shake it. The best thing to do is turn it off immediately. Power it down. Do not attempt to turn it on. Bring it back to us. Here you can see the battery is swollen. The battery will swell when it gets overvolted. So more than likely what happened is this battery shorted somehow on this board. You can see the board has also got tons of liquid. I mean, it's literally like sticky droplets everywhere. With a lot more rice that we already removed. You can see there's rice on the connectors and stuff like that. It's sticky because it's covered in soda, but it's bone dry. So, yep, rice does not fix your electronics. For this bad boy, the only saving grace is going to be an ultrasonic cleaner and a new battery and probably a new keyboard. And we'll see what else. Thanks for watching.